Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a chat on Telegram using the latest updated steps. Whether you want to clear space, remove old conversations, or just keep things organized, this process is simple and only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats. Once you're inside Telegram, go to the chat you want to delete. This could be a private conversation, a group chat, or even a channel. Just tap on it to open the conversation. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots. Tap on those 3 dots to open the menu with more options. From the menu that appears, tap on Delete Chat. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your decision, just to make sure you don't remove the chat by accident. If you're sure, go ahead and tap Delete to confirm, and that's it. The chat will be permanently removed from your Telegram. Keep in mind, once you delete a chat, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you don't need any important messages before confirming. Also, depending on your settings, Telegram may give you the option to delete the chat for both you and the other person. If you see this option, you can choose what works best for you. And that's how you delete a chat on Telegram quickly and easily using the updated method. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your apps.